Okay, we're moving on to Unit 8, Lesson 2, one-step equations, addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's get rolling on this thing. It's not too bad. It's pretty easy. I think you'll be in pretty good shape here. Okay, solving an equation, right, is like balancing a scale. Both sides must remain equal. The variable must be alone or isolated on one side of the equation. Isolate the variable by using inverse or opposite operation. The equation must remain balanced, and you want to check your solution. Okay. We also can use, and let me check to make sure we're okay here. Yeah. We also can use algebra tiles to represent the equation. Okay. So let's kind of go over here and see what our key is going to represent. Okay. So this big block here is going to represent x, right? Our equal, all right, or this is going to equal 1, and this is going to equal 1. Okay. So if I look at my equation, okay, x plus 4 equals, and if I count all of those up, 10. And your solution is x equals 6. Just some easy mental stuff for you. Next one, x plus 2 equals 6. Solution is x equals 4. Here they've kind of flipped it around. 4 equals 1 plus x equals 3. So pretty easy start there. Hope you saw that there. Not too bad to start with there. Let's flip it over here and see what we have at the top. There's some more tiles up here, but I don't really want to get into those. Let's take a look at this down here. Okay. All right. So to solve an equation, we're going to use a balance beam technique here. Okay, and most of this you're going to be able to do mentally. I'm just going to show it with a balance beam. I understand that. And we'll get into more difficult problems down the line. And we already have in most of my classes, but this is in the packet, so I just want to stay with the course. But to solve an equation, we do the opposite operation. This is really a -6. So -6 plus 6 is 0. If I add 6 to that side, I do it to this side. X is 18. Mentally check. 18 minus 6 is 12. Next up, balance beam. I'm going to subtract 5. I'm going to subtract 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. X equals 6. 6 plus 5, mental. Next up, balance beam. Subtract 3 and subtract 3. This is 0. X comes down. That is 4. 3 plus 4 does equal 7. Okay, balance beam. Add 2, get 0. Add 2. Oops, x equals 17. 17, yep. 17 minus 2, that equals 15. Balance beam. Subtract 4, subtract 4. When I do that, I get 0, and I end up with 13. X is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. Balance beam. Subtract 4, 0, 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. Next up, balance beam. Add 3, x is 15, that's 0. 15 minus 3. You're getting the idea of this, right? Add 8, x is 40. 40 minus 8 is 32. Okay, last one here. It says challenge, but it's really pretty easy. We're going to add the inverse. We're going to add that. Okay, so that's going to be a 6, decimal down, 14, carry the 1, 24. 24 and 6/10. And again, when I check this, I'm just asking myself, does that make sense? Sure it does. So anyway, guys, that's the lesson for today. Equations. You'll find the homework in the packet.